Hey, what's going on guys? Watch Review here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Fossil Minimalist, reference number FS5304. I have also reviewed and unboxed another Fossil watch, so if you guys want to see those two videos, the links will be in the description down below. But anyways, let's get into it. So Fossil always does well with their presentation for their watches. They always have some pretty cool designs, and on this one you can see it looks like there's fish with some scales on there. It looks pretty cool. Here we have the warranty card, and then some tips on how to keep your watch looking really nice. And here's the watch. As you guys can see, it is brand new. Wow. It almost looks like a flying saucer on the back, just a little bit how it's concaved. I'm really starting to like the minimalist looking watches. This one looks really exceptional. I love how skinny it is. Look at that. I believe this watch is 8 millimeters thick, which is quite thin. It is a quartz movement, so obviously it's going to be pretty thin. It's not going to be thick to house that movement like a mechanical watch would. Oh, we got the plastic on there. Let me tear that off. And there we go. I like the band so far. I love the brown and the dark coloring on the side. It looks really nice and classy. And if you guys want to get a different band, you guys shouldn't have a problem because it's 22 millimeters, so it's quite common. I really like how they made the crown on this watch. It's easily accessible. You just pull it out right there. Some of the other watches you kind of have to struggle at a little bit to pull the crown out. This is quite simple. You just pull it out. Now I forgot the exact price I paid for this watch, but I will put a link in the description to current pricing and availability. I think one of my favorite parts so far is the actual shape of the case. It just looks so modern and simplistic. Also, you can see that it's polished on the top and the back, but on the sides it's not polished. It looks really nice and feels really nice on the wrist because of the calf skin. It's extremely comfortable to wear, but I'm really excited to review this watch and go more in depth. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. This has been Watch Review.